I'm a dog. So I took a little kitten out on a date. Man, she's something special, man, like it was great. When we get home, I walked her to her door. She started looking at me like I was a big boy. Her eyes started bugging out just like a frog. Wait a minute, Daddy, now don't kiss dogs, rockin' dog. Yeah, just rockin' dog. Wait a minute, Daddy, you're no cat. You're a dog. You know I call my little kitten up on the phone. Another man answers and she's not at home. She never lets me in when I come and knock. She's always going out with a double coffin shop. I got a place dripping like a bump on a log. I got a reputation as a rockin' dog, rockin' dog. Rockin' dog. I got a place sitting like a bump on a log. I got a reputation as a rockin' dog.